How to disable the save option on Snapchat. If any day you would like to disable your save option on Snapchat but do not know how to disable your save option on Snapchat, just follow the following steps. First of all, in the search section of your mobile device, you have to search Snapchat there. After you search Snapchat there, you can see the very option of Snapchat. Now you have to tap on the application Snapchat. After you tap on the very application of Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device, and after you launch the very Snapchat on your mobile device, you have to go to the next option. That is the option of the messages out there. You have to tap on the very option of the messages, and when you tap on the option of the messages, now you have to tap on the very person whose message you would like to delete or whose RMSs there you would like to make the option to. Now after tapping on the very person like this, you have to tap on the person for a while, and then you can see the option like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the top, and when you go to the three dots on the top, you can see the option of the story settings. Now you have to go to the story settings option there, and you can just enable the story notification or anything like that. Now again, you have to go to the top option like this, and you have to go to the next option, that is chat and notification settings. And after that, you have two options, that is skip snaps and chat. This way snaps will stay in the chat for 24 hours, or you can just overview it. Now this way you have to enable it, and again you need to go to the option of delete the chats, and here you need to go to the option of after viewing, and if you tap on the option of after viewing, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.